Every 12th of August, we celebrate the International Youth Day, and this year, Don Bosco Tech Africa joins the world in celebrating this day. Don Bosco Tech Africa is an umbrella body of 113 Don Bosco TVET centers in 34 countries, reaching out to over 40,000 youth, with the aim of actually developing African youth skills through efficient resource mobilization and management. We know very well TVET centers are actually a major supplier of a skilled workforce, and it's our duty and responsibility actually to incorporate green skills within the curricula to prepare the graduates for the workforce, and at the same time for the green economy. Through the Green TVET initiative, Don Bosco Tech Africa has been engaging the youth in different themed initiatives, including solar photovoltaic training, construction and management of biogas, water and wastewater management, and finally, waste management. And this is to help the youth prepare them for a sustainable future. And that is why Don Bosco Tech Africa adopted a strategy with greening of the campus, which gives the learners theoretical and practical exposure to the different green skills as they learn and practice within the campuses. Here we expect once the learner is able to gain these green practices, will be able to go back to the community and push forth for these best practices for the communities to adapt green culture. By having a green culture, it is at this level that we will be able to have a sustainable world. In practical terms, DBTA Africa is actually encouraging the adoption and development of an educational model for sustainable development, greening the training content, greening technology, greening research, greening energy, better waste management, and better water and wastewater management. It is our commitment as Don Bosco Tech Africa to develop the appropriate green skills among the youth for a sustainable world. Happy International Youth Day.